Speak English very well. What's your name? I'm James. And how old are you? I'm 2 years old. Where were you born? I was born in New York. And what's your nationality? I'm American. How many siblings do you have? I have no siblings. It's just me. Do you prefer cats or dogs? Dogs. Woof woof. What time did you wake up today? I woke up when the sun came up. What did you have for breakfast? I had some yummy banana and cereal. That sounds good. What's the song you can't stop listening to? Baby Shark. Do 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 do. By the way, I love your outfit. Where did you get it from? Thank you. My mom got it for me.
Thank you for watching.